And one thing I I want to tell you is, Sally Aganyani, do you have a experience of the ghost story in Germany?
No.
No, no,
Do you
no.
have?
This, yeah, this recently, a family they who came from the Afghanistan. There is a five family members. They have very difficulties of the ghost disturbance every day.
Hmm.
Not only seeing from their eyes, but also sometimes someone and seeing, yeah, pull their head, their hair every day. They told me, and also when they are sitting, someone is whispering, and when they are sleeping as well. So these ghosts are disturbing all the time. So that's why last month I go there. When I go there, they don't come. They don't. It lasts about 5 days. But the last time I go there 4 times already. When I go there after 1 week, and one time is after 11, they don't come. After 11, before till 11, they don't come. After 11 days, they come again.
Mm.
At the beginning, and I use some soda. We have a kamawacha or something like that. After 3 days, they come again. They come again. They disturb more terrible than ever, like that. Then at the moment, I use the
Yeah.
Metta Kamatana, yeah, Metta Kamatana, like that. And then after the Metta Kamatana, but not very, what is it, big disturbance, Like before, almost every day, someone pulling their head, their hair, and pushing their body or something like that. But at the moment, no. But sometimes they thought.
Mhm.
So one problem is maybe the ghost may not be a Buddhist, yeah. Maybe they may be from other religion, Uh, that one also may be difficult. In Myanmar, when we have such a difficulties in a house, after the Kamawacha or some Sutta chanting disappear. But here, not like that. So that's why I share this, how if you have such experience, how you handle that. So I have to find another way. Maybe next few days I have to go again.
Mhm.
Because I feel very sorry, for them. They cannot
Yeah.
sleep. Yeah, they cannot sleep the whole night sometime. uh, if if one of the family member have been experienced that, we can think this in some way, he or his or her, how to say, some mental problem or something like that.
Mhm.
But all five family members, they experience.
Mhm.
So um, that's why it's very, very difficult. Very difficult. Okay, so if you don't have an experience, if you have, I want to know some technique how to use that.
Not just in Myanmar, in Sagaing, we had such a case in one elderly house.
Oh,
Whoever stayed there for the night had this kind of problem. But then
oh,
Sayadaw Unandamala, he did also some suttas and especially metta,
yeah.
and then it was solved, the problem.
Oh, okay. And there is only one language when the language they use, the ghosts you are using is what is it? Israel language, Hebrew language. Hebrew language. Then so that's why one of my teacher from Myanmar, they told me she told me she has a specialist about the case. And then she told me maybe the ghosts are from the Israel family or Jewish family. So that's why the family tried, and now they left all religion. At the beginning, they are from Afghanistan. That's why they are the Islam believer. Now they left that religion. After that, they try with the Christian, and then with the Christian teacher as well. They use that way, and the last time is a Jewish. So many years it have happened many years already. So the last time is a Buddhist. I don't know how they will think about the Buddhism because they told me a lot about bad all the religions cannot handle this.
Mm.
I
Okay.
think they themselves have to practice this metta for the ghost.
Yeah.
If you just
Yeah.
recite it and you come and go, it does not really help.
Yeah.
You have to teach them how to practice metta themselves to the ghost.
Yeah. Metta Sutta every day 2 times in the morning and evening 2 times. I told them to chant, and also I teach them how to cultivate loving kindness. So slowly, I think I feel better. You know, at the beginning, when I told them to cultivate loving kindness to them, no, we cannot left them like that.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Carsten, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Casta, no, not Carsten, Casta. Carmen,
Yes,
Casta.
I'm ready.
What is how we have to call Carmen or the
Carmen, that's my
no,
first name.
Carmen?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
yes. Yeah, sorry, I'm a bit sick, so I'm
Ah,
I'm getting tissues and things like that just to.
okay. Okay, so I think we should finish the this function, yeah, Geja Sangaha today. So we actually we have already finished, but here I want to remind you is, if you don't forget the second chapter, you can understand yourself. Yeah, I will give some example. For example, here, you see this table and also you contemplate the second chapter, then you understand it. So, for example, Akusala 14 has one function, that is Jawana function. So to know how many functions have the Akusala, does have Akusala have. So for example, 14 Akusala is here. I think I will write it here. For example, I think this one is a better. No. Yeah, 14 unwholesome factors have one function. Yeah. So, for example, let's see. So, how many moha does moha have? How many functions does moha have? Moha, if you want to know how many functions there, we have to contemplate or we have to think about the second chapter. So together with the moha, there is 12 akusala consciousness. Yeah, 12 akusala consciousness. So that's why. So then again, we have to look at it in the 14 functions. So the first function is Patisandhi. Patisandhi function, there is a 19 consciousness. In the 19 consciousness, there's a no akusala. And Patisandhi, Bhavanga, and Chuti, no. And Avajana as well, no. Dasana, Savana, Gayana, Sayana, Fusana as well, no. And Sampadechana, Santirana, and no. And Dadaramna as well, no. So only there is a Javana function. So Moha has only one functions. And Ahirika as well is a 12 akusala. So that's why it's Javana function only. And here as well, Loba group. Loba group is together with 8 Gri-rooted consciousness. This Gri-rooted consciousness as well contemplate, because it's without remembering the previous, it's very difficult, yeah? So if you see the 8 Gri-rooted consciousness, you cannot find this Gri-rooted consciousness in the Patisandhi function, Bhavanga, Avajana, Dasana, Savana, Gayana, Sayana, Fusana, Sampadechana, Santirana as well, Dadaramana as well, no, and only Javana. So all these the same. And Dosa Guru 4 as well, together with 2 Gri-rooted consciousness. So these 2 Gri-rooted consciousness as well, you cannot find in the Patisandhi, Bhavanga, Dasana, Savana, etc. Only Javana function. And Tina Meda as well. Tina Meda also together with 5 consciousness prompted, yeah? Prompted, Sasankarika. So this one as well has Javana. And Vichikecha is a Vichikecha Sampayuta, yeah? A consciousness accompanied by doubt, yeah? This one also only Javana functions. So that's why Akusala 14 has only one functions, that is Javana. I hope you got it, how I'm looking, how I am approaching to understand this. Yeah, maybe only one problem is you don't remember the previous. Yeah, if you remember all these, it's very easy, I think. So let's see next one. So 3 Virati, yeah. Here, these 3, yeah. Right speech, right action, and right livelihood. Samavaja, Samakamanta, and Samaajiva. Here also you see, together, these 3 abstinence, yeah. Abstinence are together with 8 Mahakusala. Yeah, 8 Mahakusala and 8 Logodara. These 16 consciousness are together with this Virati 3. So you can find, and if you don't remember, you can see, please keep in mind 8 Mahakusala and 8 Logodara. So let's go back there if you don't remember. So Patisandhi Geja, yeah, there is a no Mahakusala, no Logodara. And Bhavanga as well, no Mahakusala, no. Here as well, no. Here as well, no. So Mahakusala, 8 Mahakusala is only here. So that's why 3 Virati has only one function, that is Javana. And Lokuttara as well here. Here is 4 Magga and here is 4 Phala. So that's why 3 Viritti as well, only 1 function, that is Javana. Yeah? Carmen, you want to ask?
Yes, because maybe it's not smart thinking, probably, but why are the Viratis, why are they not Kusala Vipaka? But they are the Pala,
Phala.
part of the Palas. So the
Phala
Palas is
is
also Vipaka.
Vipaka, yeah.
So,
Phala
and why?
also, yeah. The Vipaka and Phala is different. Yeah, different. So that's why even the name is different. Yeah, the name is different. Vipaka is a result. Yeah, result, not active or not action. Not action. Phala is a kind of result, a result of the Magga. Yeah, Magga and Phala. But this Phala is action, still action, not only the result of the Magga. But the other Vibhaka is just a result. You know, Phala is like a Kusala, like a, how to say, you know, doing something, active. This Vibhaka is inactive, just result. So that's why even the name also different. But if we are counting the Vibhaka list, Phala also goes into the Vibhaka list.
And Pala, I have to look at the function list.
Yeah.
But the Palas are cannot be Javanas then.
Javana? Phala is Javana.
Yeah, also, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Phala is in the Javana list. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Because there in that part it is the active function.
Yeah, active function. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So the other as well, let's try to see in this way. There's no other special way, just contemplating all the previous lesson, and so only the way how to approach. Yeah. So Abhidhammattha. Let's see the Abhidhammattha. Abhidhammattha, how many consciousness are together with the Abhidhammattha? 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahakiriya, and Manding, first jhana, yeah, 3, and second 3, and third and fourth. So all these consciousness are together with Abhidhammattha. So out of these 8, 8 Mahakusala, yeah, 8 Mahakusala, how many functions? Does have 8 Mahakusala. So this 8 Mahakusala is only Javana. Yeah, only Javana. And 8 Mahakiriya as well, Javana. So why these 3 here? First mundane or Rupavachara jhana. First Rupavachara jhana is in the it's better to show you like this. Yeah, it's easy to see. It's easy to see. First Manding jhana 3 is, here is 1. Yeah, 1. And out of this 5 as well, there is a 1. Out of this 5 as well, 1. This is called the first Manding jhana 3. So out of these 3, this Rupavachara Vipaga first jhana has 3 functions: Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Chuti. And second as well. Here also second Mandinjana, third, fourth Mandinjana. So these 4 has 3 functions: Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Chuti. So that's why Appamanya has 4 functions altogether: Patisandhi, Bhavenga, Chuti, and Javana. So out of these consciousness, 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahakiriya has this, and out of this 1, and here also 1 Rupavachara Vipaka, here also 1 Rupavachara Vipaka, here also 1 Rupavachara Vipaka. These 4 has Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Chuti. And another second and Rupavachara Kusala, second Rupavachara Kiriya has the Javana again. You got it? No? So that means you cannot you cannot see that this Chita. Then I will ask you, first Rupavachara Kusala, how many functions? How has this consciousness? How many functions? Patisandhi? No. Kusala. Rupavachara Kusala. No Patisandhi. Yeah? No Patisandhi. So if there's no Patisandhi functions, Bhavenga and Chuti as well, no. And Avachana, no. Dasana, Savana, Sayana, Gayana, Pusana, no. Sampadechana, Sandirana, no. Dhararamana as well, no. So then there is only one function. This is Javana function only. Yeah, Javana function only. So how about the first Rupavachara Vipaka? First Rupavachara Vipaka. So it can be Patisandhi consciousness for the Brahma, yeah, who are about to born in Brahma world. So that's why first Rupavachara Vipaka consciousness has Patisandhi, Bhavenga, Chuti. 3 functions. This one as well, Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Chuti. This one as well, the same. And how about the Rupavachara Kiriya, first jhana? Only 1. That is Javana. Got it? Yeah. Okay, no problem. If the more we practice, the more you will understand. Without practicing or with, my teachers always tell me, when you are alone and then you can sit on the chair and think about and how many how many functions Abhidhammattha have. Okay, Abhidhammattha have, yeah, combined with the 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahakiriya, first Rupavachara or Manding, first jhana 3, second jhana 3, third jhana 3, and fourth jhana 3. And then you can you can think again, how many functions do the eight Mahakusala have? Eight Mahakusala has only one function. You can see one by one, Patisandhi, no, this is just Vipaka. Patisandhi, Bhavinga, and Chuti, no. And Avajana is only Avajana consciousness. Dasana, Savana, Gayana, Sayana, Kusana. This is only two sets of five-fold sense consciousness. And Sampadechana is only receiving consciousness. And Santirana also only Santirana consciousness. And Dadaramana registration. This function is also only Santirana and Mahavipaka. So that's why 8 Mahakusala has only one function, that is Javana. Mahakiriya as well, only one function. And out of these three first mundane jhana, one is in the Rupavachara Kusala, one is in the Rupavachara Vipaka, one is in Rupavachara Kiriya. So, out of this Kusala, Vipaka, and Kiriya, Vipaka, this is the Patisandhi consciousness for the Brahma. So that's why Patisandhi, Bhavinga, and Chuti. So altogether, 4. So I hope you got it, yeah? So only you have to think with the previous knowledge. There's no other ways, yeah? If you remember, the more you remember, the more you can recall all the information in your head, and you can tell me like this very quickly, very quickly. So without practicing, no, you cannot get. That's why before we start this class, in Myanmar, in some monastery as well, they don't know how to look at how many function or something like that. That's why they learn by heart. Akusala 14 has one jhana function. Akusala 14 has one jhana function. They learn by heart like that. They don't try to understand why Akusala 14 has only one jhana function. They don't think. I'm also not very feeling well today, actually. Before I start this, I have to teach because it's only one time in 2 weeks. I cannot cancel like that. That's why I contemplate. I made a little bit meditation and relax. Then I can start. Okay. Anyway, here as well. Let's talk about quickly, yeah, because I hope you understand how to try to understand this, yeah. If you think again and again in this way, you will understand that. Okay, here Sovana Sadharana 19 has 5 functions. So to know that, if you remember all the first and second, I don't need to go, but I know you don't remember all these, so that's why I go again here. So beautiful universal, yeah. This 19 has 5 functions. How to know? How do we know that? Yeah. So 19 beautiful universal mental factors are together combined with 59 consciousness. Yeah, 59 consciousness. 59 consciousness means 24 beautiful sense sphere consciousness and 15 5 material sphere consciousness, Rupavachara, and 12 immaterial sphere consciousness, and 8 lokuttara, yeah, supramundane consciousness, yeah. So altogether 59. So look at it here. Out of 24, 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahavipaka, 8 Mahakiriya. Okay? So just relax. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just relax. So out of 24, if you see the 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahakusala is only in the group which has Javana. Yeah? This 8 Mahakusala is only Javana function. Javana function. So how about 8 Mahavipaka? 8 Mahavipaka have Patisandhi, Bhavinga, Chuti, and Dadaramana. It's a 4 function. Yeah, you got it? 4 functions. So if you have a printed paper, you can look at it. 8 Mahavipaka has Patisandhi, Bhavinga, and Bhavinga, Chuti, and Dadaramana. And how about Mahakiriya? Mahakiriya also only have 1 function, that is Javana. So now altogether we have 5, yeah? Patisandhi, Bhavinga, Chuti, and Dadaramana, Javana, 5. Already with this 24, you have 5 functions. And let's look at again here, 15, yeah? 5 material sphere consciousness is 5 Rupavachara Kusala, 5 Rupavachara Vipaka, and 5 Rupavachara Kiriya. So 5 Rupavachara Kusala has only 1 function, that is Javana. And 5 Rupavachara Vipaka has 3 functions. Yeah, 3 functions, that is Patisandhi, Bhavinga, and Chuti. Yeah, here 4 is with the Dadaramana. Here there is a no Dadaramana. You will have to learn in next chapter as well. Yeah, we cannot. There is a no Dadaramana function in the Rupavachara, Arupavachara. So here 5 Rupavachara Vipaka has 3 functions, and 5 Rupavachara Kiriya has only 1 function, that is Javana. And again, let's look at the Arupavachara. Arupavachara is 4 Arupavachara Kusala, 4 Arupavachara Vipaka, and 4 Arupavachara Kiriya. So Arupavachara Kusala has only 1 function, that is Javana. Kiriya as well, 1 function. And Rupavachara Vipaka has 3 functions. Patisandhi, Bhavinga, and Chuti. No Dadaramana as well. So here also 3 functions. 8 Lokuttara has only 1 function, that is Javana. So if we combine all these, there is a 5 Javana, that is Patisandhi, Bhavinga, Chuti, Dadaramana, and Javana. Altogether 5. Hope you understand. So Savana Sadharana 19 has 5 functions, that is Patisandhi, Bhavinga, Chuti, Javana, Dadaramana. And Chanda as well, the same, in the same way, yeah? Together with the Chanda, there is a except 2 Moha Mula, delusion rooted consciousness, and 18 rootless consciousness. All the other consciousness, I don't know how much, yeah, and 28, 89, 89 and minus 20. Yeah. So I'm very skillful in math mathematics. 79, 69. Yeah. 69 consciousness. So let's look at this. So 8 green-rooted consciousness. 8 green-rooted consciousness is only jhana. And 2 hatred-rooted consciousness as well, jhana. And there's no moha mula delusion-rooted consciousness here. So there's no rootless consciousness. Out of another consciousness is 24 beautiful sense sphere consciousness. Here as well, 8 Maha Kusala has jhana, 8 Maha Vipaka has Patisandhi, Bhavenga, Juti, and Tadaramana. Yeah, Tadaramana. And 8 Mahakiriya has only one jhana. Got it? Okay. So let's go next. Immaterial, 5 material sphere consciousness. Yeah. Rupavachara 15. 5 Rupavachara Kusala has only one function, jhana. And 5 Rupavachara Vipaka has Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Chuti only, no Tadaramana. And 5 Rupavachara Kiriya has only one function, that is jhana. And 4 Arupavachara Kusala has jhana function. 4 Arupavachara Vipaka has Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Juti. And 4 Arupavachara Kiriya has jhana. And 8 Lokottara has also jhana. So all together, let's look at here. Patisandhi, yeah, Patisandhi and Bhavenga, here, Chuti and jhana a lot. Yeah, jhana and Tadaramana is only here. Tadaramana. All together, 5. Yeah, 5. And you know, my teacher make a joke about that, you know. And when we were young, maybe at the moment in Myanmar as well, there are some people, they are counting the number for the lottery. Yeah. Actually, from my point of view, it's a stupid idea. Yeah. But people think that the lottery number they can count. Yeah. Some people, they don't have, they are jobless. Yeah. So that's why all the time on with the paper pen they are counting. Last week these numbers, yeah, last week this number, and count, and they calculate a lot, and they trying to, yeah, play the lottery. So my teacher say, instead of calculating, yeah, counting the number for the lottery, yeah, gambler, yeah, lottery gambler. So instead of doing that, please count this. Please count this Abhidhamma, yeah, yeah, like counting the number for the lottery. So you also, when you have a sometimes, like you know, on the train, some people, they are using some puzzle, yeah, some puzzle to waste their time, yeah, to spend their time. So like that, when you have a free time, you can do like that. Then you will remember. You remember all these. Okay, so Panya as well, the same. I think I should not do all these, yeah? How do you think? Should I do until finish together, or have to go next chapter? How do you think? Do you want me to do one by one, or you want to try yourself? which way is helpful to you? Huh?
So,
How do you think? Sally, how do you think? Let's continue together this until finish, or let's continue to next chapter.
oh,
No, tell me.
For me, you could go to the next chapter. For me,
Ah,
it's more than
okay.
clear, but I don't know about the others.
Okay. So this one, all these as well, the same, yeah? You have to write down how many consciousness are together with the panya. Then you have to look at, yeah, this consciousness has how many function like that, yeah? So I think that's enough, yeah? Maybe if we have a time later, we can discuss about this again, yeah? Not even next chapter, but mental factors, yeah, by numbers of functions, yeah, classification by numbers of functions. This one as well, actually, not new information, yeah, not new information. For example, uh, here Pancha Dwara Vojana 1, yeah, Pancha Dwara Vojana is 5 sense door adverting consciousness. So this consciousness has only one function. Only one function. Yeah? Avojana function. Do you remember that? Yeah? Avojana function. And Dvipancha Vinyana. Because I want you to be familiar with the Pali name. Yeah? Pancha Dwara Vojana. It is 2 sets of fivefold sense consciousness. Yeah? Dvipancha Vijnana, as it 2 sets of fivefold sense consciousness, also has one function, but separately, yeah, respectively. For example, out of these 10, Chakku Vijnana, eye consciousness, yeah, Chakku Vijnana, eye consciousness has only one function, dasana function, seeing function. Yeah, Pancha Dwara Vajana has avajana function, and Sota Vijnana has only one sawana function, Jinwa and Sota Gana, yeah, Saku Sota Gana, yeah, Gana is a Gayana function, Jinwa is a Sayana, and Kaya is Pusana function. And here again, Sampadechana, 2, yeah, to receiving consciousness, as well has only one function, Sampadechana function. And Javana 55 also has Javana function. Yeah, so that's why Panchadwara, Vachana, etc. All these 68 consciousness has only one function, respectively. Okay, so let's look at next. Yeah, Somanasa Santirana. Yeah, Somanasa Santirana. Investigating, yeah, investigating consciousness accompanied by joy, yeah, accompanied by joy, Somanasa Santirana. So Somanasa Santirana has Santirana function, investigating function, and registration function, Dadaramana. Yeah, Dadaramana is a 3 Santirana and 8 Mahavipaka. Yeah, Santirana is only 3 Santirana. So that's why Somanasa Santirana has 2 functions. And let's continue next one. Manodwara Vajana. Yeah, Manodwara Vajana. Manodwara Vajana is mind-adverting consciousness. Mind-adverting consciousness has avajana function and Votavana function. Yeah? Votavana function and Mahagada Vipaka 9 is 5 Rupavachara and 4 Arupavachara. Yeah, 9. This one has only 3. Padisandi, Bhavenga, and Juti. And Mahavipaka 8 plus Tadaramana. Yeah, Tadaramana. In the 4th chapter, here, even though the Mahagata Vipaka is a resultant consciousness, but there is no Tadaramana. So Tadaramana is only in the sense-sphere world. Yeah. So that's why here Mahavibhaga has only 4. And Upekha Santirana 2. Upekha Santirana 2, you know that Padisandi, Bhavenga, Chuti, and Santirana as well, Tadaramana as well, altogether 5. So in the Myanmar Abhidhamma exam, the most, how to say it, write down the consciousness which has the most functions like that. in the exam, Abhidhamma exam. So write down the consciousness which has most functions. So this is Upekha. So less function is this 68. So this one also, if you if you remember all these, only this is the most important. If you remember this page, you can do everything. Yeah, you can do everything. This one also actually not very difficult, even though if you want to learn a parallel learning as well, this and this is 19. Yeah, all these 19 the same. Avajana, yeah, Avajana is Panchadwara Vajana and Manodwara Vajana, and this and also most easiest. Yeah, Chakku Vijnana, Dasana, Sawana Gayana, Sayana, Pusana. Here also Sampadijana function, Sampadijana 2. Santirana 2. Votavana is a different name. Yeah, Manodwara Vajana. And Javana, so active consciousness. Tadaramana, Santirana, and Mahavibhaga. So if you remember all this, is not very difficult. Okay, so I want to finish this functions. Yeah, it has been a long time. We can start a little bit about the next chapter. Yeah, next chapter, next Sangaha. Yeah, analysis of mental phenomena by those Dwara Sangaha. Dwara Sangaha is very helpful for the a preparation for the next chapter. So witty chapter. Yeah, English words are very difficult. Sometimes actually sometimes Sangaha, sometimes we see the chapter episode like that. I have to differentiate a lot. Yeah, next section, next chapter, next episode, a lot. So here what we use is within this one chapter we use section. Yeah, the next session, Dwara Sangaha is Dwara. Dwara, here the words Dwara means doors. Yeah, Dwara means door. So so let me tell you, yeah, slowly. Slowly, because sometimes I have to think a lot. Everything coming into my mind, I cannot tell you everything. That were complicated. So that's why sometimes I have to think a lot. How to approach within a short time. Yeah. So the firstly, you have to understand the Pali words is dwara. Yeah, dwara means doors. There are 6 sense doors. Yeah, 6 sense doors. The first one, Chakku dwara. Yeah, Chakku means eye. Dwara is door. And Chakku dwara, Sota dwara, Gana dwara, Jinwa dwara, Kaya dwara. So these 5 is you are very familiar with from the first chapter as well. Yeah, Chakku, Sota, Gana, Jinwa, Kaya. So why here it is used the words dwara? So here we have to learn which consciousness, yeah, arise through which doors. Yeah, which doors. So there is we have iron doors. Yeah, iron door also we need to know, not the whole iron. Yeah, not the whole iron. We call iron sensitivity. In Pali is a Chakku Pasada. Yeah, Chakku Pasada. You have to learn in the 6th chapter. Yeah, Rupa Sangaha. Rupa Sangaha is about the matter. Yeah, material. So Chakku Pasada. Pasada in English it is translated as eye sensitivity. So some consciousness arise through the eye doors. Some consciousness arise or appear through ear door, nose door, tongue doors, and body doors. So that's why. So it's a normal door. So if we want to go out, we have to use, or we have to go out through the door. If we want to come inside, we have to use that door. We have to enter the house through the doors. So like that, the consciousness as well, without these 6 sense doors, consciousness cannot appear, cannot arise. So only through these 6 sense doors, the consciousness arise. In the first chapter, we talk about this. Yeah, the requirement for the sense consciousness. Yeah, so I copy from the first chapter. For the eye consciousness to arise, there is these 4 conditions we need. Eye sensitivity. Without eye sensitivity, the cannot see. Yeah, cannot see, and there must be light. There must be contact, the visible object, and eye sensitivity. Yeah, there must be contact and adverting as well. If these 4 conditions are working together, eye consciousness arise. And the other ear consciousness, nose consciousness, tongue consciousness, body consciousness also almost the same. Here is different. Yeah, different. Space, air, liquid, tangibility. So that's why in Abhidhamma, the dwara, yeah, door is used as a the consciousness appear and disappear through these doors. So these 5 sense doors are not very difficult to understand. The next one is new here. Yeah, Mano Dwara. Mano Dwara means mind door. Yeah, mind door. So here, mind door is not matter. Yeah, all this is a matter. Yeah, these doors are matter or material. This is mental. Manodwara is mental. Yeah, mental. So in Abhidhamma, 18 Bhavanga consciousness. 19 Bhavanga consciousness is mind door. So 19 Bhavanga consciousness we have already learned in the last chapter, yeah, function. And 2 Upekha Santirana, and 8 Maha Vipaka, and 5 Rupavachara Vipaka, and 4 Arupavachara Vipaka. Also altogether 19. These 19s are mind door. So here you have to understand is for any beings there must be only one of these 19. Yeah, if we were born with the first Mahavibhaga or second Mahavibhaga, and our mindo is first Mahavibhaga. Do you get that? What I mean? If we were born with the second Mahavibhaga, then our mindo is second Mahavibhaga. For the Brahma, if for the first jhana, first Rupavachara Vipaka, that Brahma was born with the first Rupavachara Vipaka, his mindo is first Rupavachara Vipaka. So even though 19 Bhavanga consciousness we are writing here, you have to understand is for any individual there must be one consciousness for the mindo. Yeah. Okay. And comment.
Yes, I understand that the mind door, the function of the mind door as
Yeah.
the Bhavanga. But if we are thinking, I was just thinking, if I'm thinking, I always thought that goes through the mind door.
Yeah. That's a good question. Yeah, that's a good question. But in the Abhidhamma, for example, there is a drum. Yeah, there is a drum. So if you beat the drum here, yeah, this side, here as well, shaking. Yeah, here as well, shaking. So like that, so some object imping or touch or strike your eye sensitivity, and your mind will also shaking. And but the original is from the eye door. How to say eye door? We have to say it start from the eye doors, but
yes, you
also
mean like
have to through the manodwara.
Yeah, you mean like because there's something arising that touches the eye sensitivity.
Yeah.
In that case, the Bhavanga stream is interrupted. Do you mean in that sense? Like that it touches the mano dwara?
Here, what we want to say is, for example, a object, yeah, contact your eye sensitivity, yeah, eye sensitivity. The first one, but the second, we have to understand the second next chapter as well, yeah. It's called the Pas Bhavanga, yeah, Pas Bhavanga, and what is it? Vibrating Bhavanga, yeah,
the Atita,
vibrating Bhavanga, and Bhavangupiche, the arrested Bhavanga, yeah, arrested Bhavanga, and Panchadwara coming, yeah, Panchadwara and Chakuvenyana coming, and Sambadejana, Santirana, and Votabana, and one of the Kamavachara Javana. and Dadaramana, and Bhavanga again. So this is through the eye sensitivity, eye doors, all these consciousness appear. Sometimes some object, especially mostly when you are meditating, you are thinking about your past. That is not through your eye, your ear, or etc. Only through the manodwara, mind doors. So we call that in that case, these thought process appear through the mind door. This one is you start from the eye sensitivity. Without eye sensitivity, there is no other consciousness will not happen. You get it?
Yes, so far so good.
Yeah. So.
But oh yeah, sorry.
Okay. Continue.
No, please.
Okay. So that's why we are making differently. Some consciousness through the ear door, some consciousness ear, ghana, and nose, tongue, and body. Some are not through all these five, only mind doors. Yeah. But when we think about the yesterday, for example, hi, comment yesterday, where were you? Where were you yesterday? Like that, then you close your eye, you close everything, all ear, etc. And then, okay, then you think, and you in your mind you have all the visible object in from the past. But this is a visible object. Yesterday, this time you saw that, but this is not from the eye doors, just from the mind door. You start from that. Okay.
But still, because
Okay.
the mind, if we have the mind door,
Yeah.
why does it say then in the sheet before Bhavanga? Because thinking is something different than the function of Bhavanga function.
Yeah. Then please tell me again.
Can you show me the other sheet?
The
I'm
other
sorry.
sheet, which one?
The sheet
Which
before, no, before. Yeah, here it says the Manodwara.
Yeah, Manodwara.
Yeah, it has the 90 Bhavanga consciousness.
Yeah.
So that means I don't know what it means, but yes, I may be confused because it says Bhavanga, but in the state of Bhavanga, we are not thinking.
Yeah.
So I think there my confusion starts.
Okay. So this Dwara, when this 19 consciousness working, or why these 19 consciousness have Patisandhi, Bhavenga, and Juti, there is no what is it? How to say? No, wait. There's both. Yeah. Sometimes this consciousness itself is dwara, door. Sometimes it appears. Yeah. But when these 19 consciousness working, these three functions not appear from any doors. I think I have written here. Okay. Yeah. 19 Dwara Vimutta. Yeah. Dwara Vimutta, door free consciousness. Yeah. So this one also I think we have to discuss later.
Okay.
Because we needed time to talk about that. But for your question, let me say a little bit. Yeah. but I know I have to continue next time.
Good.
19
sorry.
consciousness, which have the functions of Patisandhi, Bhawenga, and Chuti, are called door-free consciousness. While, that's why I gave highlight, yeah, while performing their functions, yeah, these three functions. If there is no work in these three functions, can go through the doors. And Manodwara, yeah, mind door itself is called Bhawenga. Door does not need a door to go through. Do you understand what I mean? So when a consciousness, one of these 19, is working as a Manodwara, mind door, yeah, mind door, then it is called the Bhawenga. So at the same time, that consciousness cannot go through because door does not need door to go through. Okay. I think it's a difficult. It's a difficult, but we have to think and we have to talk a lot. Yeah. This one, out of 19 consciousness, 2 Ubeka Santirana, 8 Mahavibhaga arise through doors when they have Santirana and Dadaramana functions. So only these three functions, performing these three, is a door-free consciousness. But these 2 Ubeka Santirana and 8 Mahavibhaga are performing Santirana and Dadaramana function. It can go through the doors. 5 Rupavachara Vibhaga and 4 Arupavachara Vibhaga, or 9 Mahagata Vibhaga separate resultants are always door-free consciousness because they don't have any other functions apart from Patisandhi, Bhawenga, and Chuti.
I have to think about it first.
Yeah. We have to talk again next time. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Because some words, some information from the next chapter also come in my mind, but I don't know how to say that. Yeah. So sometimes I understand not the whole, but at some point I understand why you were thinking like that. Don't worry. Let's continue discussion later. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So see you next after weeks. Yeah.
Sadhu, sadhu,
Sadhu.
sadhu.
Thank
you so much again. And I hope you feel better soon.
Yeah, you too. You too.
Yes.
I think you are more serious than me.
I'm happy because of that I can join. Otherwise, I would not be at home.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.